back in the days.
Who do you think you are? Information Minister? What is this rat talking about? Hey you, have you been able to tell your mother the man who impregnated you? Will you shut up? Are you insane? Amele, what if a snake bit you or you died in the bush? Disgraceful prostitute, sheep whore. You are disgrace to your mother. Leave my sight! Ajima, where are you going?
Brago.
Why are you leaving me here? Eh? Where are you going?
You again? Brago, what do you want?
Ajima, I love you. Ajima, you know I'm pregnant for you.
Huh? You are what?
I'm pregnant for you. It's baby.
Pregnant for me?
Yes.
Brago.
Open your mouth and tell me who is responsible for that pregnancy? And who gave you the concussion to abort the baby?
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we planned. My world is turned upside down by the mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional tutor was shattered by my own indiscipline and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Awuni, descendant from the great Amitoma Willis family from the Volta region. This is my life story in a small village called Lucky.
And why would a student look at me? There's a rumor out there that you've done abortion. Yes, that is why I dragged you. Wait, Elam told you that, right? Hey, come on. No, yes, but he said it's Kwansima who is spreading that news. Okay? But come on, take it easy. This is nothing. Hey, she'll be fine, okay? Come on, Kwansima. That girl. Forget about her. Okay? Wait for me.
Now, hey, me senior, you get me. Bring your hands.
I won't do again. I won't do again. I won't do again.
Hey, bring your hands.
Amele. Amele. Who do you think you are? Information Minister? What is this rat talking about? Hey you, have you been able to tell your mother the man who impregnated you? Will you shut up? Are you insane? How dare you? Oh, so you are the one spreading rumors about me, right? Stop it, madam, stop it! It is not a rumor, it's the truth. Hey you, let me ask you one question, because I know you are Mele to be a prostitute and a disgraceful person. I used to see him when you broke up with him. He took you to the bush before. Amele, what if a snake bit you or you died in the bush? Disgraceful prostitute, sheep whore. You are disgrace to your mother. Leave my sight! Stupid girl. Amele.
Kwansima.
Amele, hey! Stop there. Look at them two. Disgrace. You can't advise your friend. You're pregnant woman.
Miss.
going?
Brago.
Why are you leaving me here? Eh? Where are you going?
You again? But what do you want?
Ajima, I love you. Ajima, you know I'm pregnant for you.
Huh? You are what?
I'm pregnant for you. It's baby.
Pregnant for me?
Yes.
Brago, I thought I told you not to get close to me again.
Me?
I warned you not to come close to me again.
Calm down.
Now listen. I am not going to accept that pregnancy. I am not responsible and I will never be responsible.
Ajima, you can't do this to me. You know you are all I have. Don't do this to me, okay?
I am all you have.
Yes.
And who told you that?
Ampafu, tell him something.
Brago, I hate you. You are the reason I lost my precious treasure in this village.
Precious treasure?
Yes.
I am the only one.
Look at
Who
you.
else? Nanama. Nanama is not the only precious treasure in this community. I am. So if you like it or not, you are staying with me. You are not going anywhere.
Brago, listen. It is time for me to get back to the city.
So let's go together.
And whatever happened between you and I is now a history. I am not your husband, I'm not your boyfriend, and I am not responsible for this cheap thing you call pregnancy. Leave me alone. Brago! Brago, I'll sound you! Leave me!
Please tell me something for me.
You know it.
Hey, Brago, listen. In case you don't know what to do with this cheap pregnancy, you better find something better to do with your life.
Am I the one you are talking to?
Yes. Was your friend Anama is seriously in love with your so-called Bobole Bobo? Oba Judas.
Won't you say something?
You didn't try. Brago.
Hey, Apafo! Let's go. The car will be waiting for us at the junction.
Ajima, I'll come and visit you in the city, okay?
Your mother. Your mother.
What am I going to do? Hey!
My sister.
What? Hey! What? Brago, you of all people.
You see, what goes around comes around. See your life.
It comes back to your face. It comes back to your face. Oh,
She wants to keep quiet too. Wonders shall never end. Wonders.
sorry.
Mama pray.
Don't leave me alone. Please. You know I love you. Don't leave me. You are all I have.
I know one.
Oh,
Go away.
I'll come and visit in the... Are you done? City? Are you done?
Go.
Are you done?
We are done.
We'll continue to let that pregnancy. Go away.
No, if you tell us you are pregnant, yes. We will tell the crew.
Shame on you.
Madam, I overheard some of the students saying she's the one that told them.
Can you tell me who they are?
No, madam.
And Kwansima here is denying the fact that she's the one. So you don't worry. I will know what to do about it.
Okay, madam.
You can leave. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, you! You will never invite us to your house to come and eat. You are always eating in people's house.
What is wrong eating in Arabe's house? Is she not our friend?
Nothing is wrong. Then
Nothing is
invite
wrong.
us. Are you okay? Araba, why? Are you sick? Talk. Are you sick?
Oh, I'm feeling fine.
Oh, sorry, dear. You come and sit down, okay? Come and sit and let me continue from where you spoke.
Sorry, you'll be fine. Yes, you will be fast.
Amele, this morning I'm not in the good mood at all. Eh? Now listen to me. Open your mouth and tell me who is responsible for that pregnancy and who gave you the concussion to abort the baby.
Mommy, I'm very sorry for disappointing you.
Oh, you're not talking about.
I didn't know what to do. I was ashamed of myself knowing well you'll be disappointed in me. Mommy, I'm very sorry, please.
Okay. You are sorry, but when you bisected your legs and that idiot was putting that baby into your stomach, you were not sorry. You better start talking though.
I'm so sorry.
Amele, how many times have I called you this morning?
I'm sorry.
You don't want to talk. Eh? Amele!
Mommy!
You don't want to talk.
Sorry.
Who got you pregnant? I gave you the substance to abort the baby.
Mommy, I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Oh, still you don't want to talk. Eh? Who got you pregnant?
Araba, you called me.
Yeah. I wanted to tell you something.
Okay, what is it? Go on.
I am pregnant.
What? Who is responsible?
You are.
You are not serious. Araba, you think I will say you with that teacher and not protect myself? Eda, Aziz, go do your calculations well.
Odikasi, you some also.
Since morning, one food.
Boy, yours is good though. Today, I haven't eaten anything.
Who?
Me!
I say you there, you jollof.
Dry fasting, boy.
You jollof, I say dry. Chop yourself. If me, yeah, look, if me, I be you, me, I won't take any food close into my mouth. That I'll chop from my here. Pass your. Oh, Kwaku.
You are not correct. You are mad in the head. You this.
Hey.
See, look at what he say.
Now, human being say hungry, you too, you are saying hungry.
Come out for that. What about you? Are you eating anything?
You guys are still thinking about food. Me, I'm thinking about my life.
Your life?
Yes.
Why you want to get married or what?
Do you think I'm going to live like this forever?
And you think you are going to change?
Please, I'm thinking about my life.
Your life is this. This is your finished life.
Be there.
As this month, you are under this small tree, say you are thinking different.
I won't be like this forever.
Who teach you that? That person like you.
Your father.
Okay, Mo.
Guys, can you see what I'm seeing?
Yes. Odinkese! Odinkese!
No, Kosi. Oh, but also.
I'm the one who called you.
Oh.
What's eating you up?
What do? Araba.
This girl again.
Is she die?
What has she done this time?
Kill.
She's pregnant.
For you?
Who?
Hey!
Nah. For that teacher. And man, I feel so sorry. I feel so sad for that girl.
Are you trying to tell me that you still love her?
Abadu. Of course. Yeah, I do.
Somebody pregnant your girlfriend, sitting here, say still love him.
I wonder.
Your head is there. Hey!
You see, I do love her, but the way she's treating me this time and all.
But you go still love her. Eh? Look at your face.
Oh, so what are you going to do now?
My daughter.
Mommy.
Will you tell me who impregnated you?
Mommy, I still can't recollect their faces. I am trying my best.
Please, try your best. You know those men try to kill you. So that I will also know what to do. Please. Okay.
Okay, Mommy.
Good day, Mommy.
Hey, Rema.
Mommy.
How are you?
Please, I'm fine.
And how is mommy and dad?
Please, they are fine.
You are welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. Let me get you a seat.
Give it to me.
Odinkesi didn't accept the pregnancy. He did? Is he not responsible? He's not. Samauli is responsible. What? Then he has the right to know. He has the right to know, Araba. I don't want to ruin him at all.
Oh, but you want to destroy Odinkesi and that unborn child's life?
Are you okay? Araba, are you? Hush. So what should I do now?
Just go and tell him the truth.
Yes. Okay. I just hope he takes it cool.
Araba, you have messed up big time. What's wrong with you?
I'm just ashamed of myself.
Yeah, I'm so disappointed in you.
You're bad.
It's you,
Amele.
Yes.
So, is it true you are pregnant? Wait. Firma, don't tell me you believe what they are saying. I am not. Amele, you need to tell me the truth about this. I deserve to know. Or do you think I'll turn my back at you? I can't do such. I am not your enemy. Okay? And I don't want you to be cheap. Please. Yes. I was pregnant. What? And you aborted it? Okay, I've heard you. Who is responsible? Your mother needs to know about this. She deserves to know it, and that man must be confronted. Amelie, I don't want you to be cheap. No way! I am so sorry for disappointing you, Firma. I am sorry. Now tell me, Amelie, who was responsible for that pregnancy?
It's Sir.
Which Sir?
Sir Mauli.
Sir what? Amelie, why?
I thought it may end up in marriage.
Oh, would you hold it there? You're too young to even think of marriage. And besides, that man, that tutor, is a womanizer.
Don't say that.
Would you shut up, Amele? He is seeing Kwansima and her friend. Haven't you noticed that of late they've been fighting in school?
Wait, you don't mean it.
How?
It's a lie, right?
Really? Amele? Yes, we shall see. What hell mu ya would dead to Amele? What hell mu ya would dead?
No, this can't happen. I need to find out.
Araba, you are coming for some vehicle, right? You see, I prepared my cassava waiting for you. So let's just enter.
Let's talk here. Sir Mauli, let's talk here.
Hey, Araba, is there any problem? You don't worry, one blow for tonight, and that will be it.
There is a huge problem. I am pregnant.
Oh, you are pregnant for that your boyfriend, eh? You don't worry, eh? I am not going to hit the baby. I am just going to go slow, eh? So you see, let's enter, eh?
I am pregnant. And you are responsible for the pregnancy.
Cho, Araba, Enya, teacher Mawili. You see, I am well educated and I cannot get you pregnant. I always do it in times that you will not get pregnant. So tell your boyfriend, I know he is going to accept it.
I am pregnant. You are the father of my baby. And you're going to take full responsibility of this child.
No, you don't understand. You see, I am not ready. And I will never be ready for this pregnancy. Eseguma. So Araba, Jo, I am not ready.
Maui! In fact, you disgust me with your
Araba, Jo.
Hey, Maui! What the hell? What do with you?
Back in the days.
Next, back in the days.
After our exams, as usual, she came first.
That is my girl.
Wow, that's my daughter.
She has gotten the scholarship people were looking for.
Really? May God be praised.
Oh,
hallelujah. Fema?
We are taking her to the city on Monday.
Really?
Yes. To continue in one of the big schools in our country here.
I have a confession to make.
A confession?
Sure.
What's wrong? Elom, I'm sorry, I lost my virginity, blah blah blah. Come on, it's not necessary, okay? I love you and that's what matters.
Come on, that's
I'm
far
serious.
from that.
Back in the days, so back in the days. Ready, man. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Pretty man. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. Asembeba debi. Asembeba debi o. Jaya kuboni dio, chicha mauli. Jaya kuboni